Kill it or do something stupid. Don't embarrass me.
Oh, that's gonna be on the intro. Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today is a special day. I was working on the deck next door and this thing parked in front of me. So it's always a chance to film something different and something awesome. I will hand you to the owner, Luke. Talk to us a little bit about this beauty.
This is a kit car called the DF Goblin that I bought. I got the kit about a year and a half, 2 years ago. And I bought a wrecked Chevy Cobalt SS with the supercharged engine. You kind of take all the Cobalt parts off except for the engine, transmission, wires, and the kit gives you everything you need to get to what you have here.
So I am seeing there's a blower in the back, is that right?
Yeah, I got the supercharged version of the Cobalt. They also make a turbo one, so.
And I'm guessing this is a rear-wheel drive in this setup, so they take all the stuff from the front in the Cobalt and put it in the back.
Correct, yes. You basically take the entire front-wheel drive mechanics and you move it to the back. So it's mid-engine, rear-wheel drive.
Technically will be the top, the
yes.
hood, like the first thing in the hood in the Cobalt.
Yes.
And here it's behind the driver.
Yes.
So everything kind of backwards.
Yeah, it's really clever how they put this together. And
my assumption, it's a front wheel drive, so this transmission going to be on the side.
Yes, yep, it's a 5-speed manual transmission on the side there.
Okay.
And it's street legal.
And that was the next question. How hard to register this one in Iowa? I know Iowa is easier than other states.
Correct.
Regarding this stuff, but
yeah, Iowa is one of the easier ones. There was a few loopholes to go through, but it was really easy. There's other states like Illinois, California, of course, they're terrible with anything government related, so, but.
Okay, and what year is this one registered at?
This is a 2020 vehicle. I've only had it registered for about a month and a half.
Because you finished it in 2020 and applied the paperwork in 2020, I'm guessing?
Correct, yep. And it's got a sticker on the frame up front.
Oh, where's, they give you like a VIN number of some sort?
Yeah, it's got its own VIN number. It's
okay,
side there.
Just go around and.
But yep, went to the inspector. From the time I drove it in on the trailer to the time I left was 13 minutes.
Where's the VIN number where they put it in?
Sticker right there.
Oh, okay. I see. This is interesting. I have no idea about how to do a kit car. You know, I'm not that mechanically inclined, so.
There's a lot I didn't know, but the forum is amazing. I mean, you could know how to change your oil and nothing more, and the forum will tell you everything else you need to know. There's a really good video series that the DF Kit Car puts out that'll get you through almost all of it alone.
The wiring sucks.
There's a lot of wiring. Buy a good soldering gun, a good soldering iron.
But they provide all that info for you, right?
Yes, all the information is out there. So.
Sweet, awesome.
It weighs 1,560 pounds and between 225 and 250 horsepower. So it gets out of its own way in a hurry.
Wow. So I know everybody gonna ask, have you checked what's the horsepower figure, or that's just a stock SS, Cobalt SS you got?
The stock Cobalt SS, this one was 205 or 210 horsepower, I believe, but it's got a upgraded pulley, injectors, and a tune on it, which came with the donor car.
Mm-hmm.
And they say around 240 horsepower at the wheels, roughly, but I don't know how accurate that is.
Awesome. All right, Luke, I truly appreciate it. Thank you very much
course.
for stopping by. You know, it's not planned or anything. I took some time from your day,
Oh,
but I can't resist not looking at cool stuff like this.
no.
Again, thank you very much. Appreciate
Yeah.
it, and hopefully, you know, everything goes
Yeah.
well, doesn't break down on you, and you enjoy it as much as you can.
Yeah, I have about 1,500 miles on it now with absolutely zero issues. So.
Again, thank you very much. I
Yep.
appreciate it.
Yep.